Good morning to all of you. I have seen in the newspapers about a US lawsuit in which the parents were asked to pay compensation to their son for having destroyed his pornographic literature, 12 boxes of pornographic books, DVDs, and sex toys. Right? Previously, on some occasions, I told you that United States of America is a land of litigation. Secondly, it is known for the human rights activism also. They respect the human rights. Even a boy, when he attains majority, he will be free to seek whatever he likes, and he doesn't need the guidance from the parents. Otherwise, there is no parental authority. Right. Now, let us come back to our case. In this case, Mr. David Working, Werking. So, he is a divorcee. Right. After divorcing his wife, he came back to his parents' house in Grand Haven, Western Michigan. And he was staying with the parents, Mr. Paul and Beth Working. Always he was looking into some books, always he was seeing some videos which the parents do not know. So normally it is there, the culture is there in America. Normally the parents don't interfere and they don't intrude into the privacy of the children. That's the problem. Right? So he closes the door, he enjoys seeing the pornographic movies or view films. Like that he used to spend some hours together. Right? After some time, so this happened in the year 2017. He stayed for about 10 months, but of course, at the request or at the direction of the US law enforcement or Michigan law enforcement authority, then he was made to move out from the rent-free house of the father. That is, from Grand Haven, he moved out. Right? So his materials or his belongings have also to be shifted to his new place of residence. In the meantime, while packing the same, the father came across these 12 boxes full of the so-called pornographic material, DVDs, magazines, sex toys and all these things. So immediately he destroyed all of them. Right? So he sent the remaining materials. Then that boy questioned the parents about the 12 boxes of materials which are worth about $29,000. You can count it in every dollar is equal to 72 rupees Indian currency. $29,000. And he questions the parents through email. You see the funny. So through email he asked them, then he replied, the father replied, "We have done a favor to you by destroying all the so-called pornographic material which you are not supposed to study or supposed to go through. It's not good for you morally and ethically and even psychologically also." His father has given a reply. So he is not satisfied with the reply given by his father. Ultimately, he filed a lawsuit in the District Court of Western Michigan. So normally the court will ask, this is a purely case of law of torts. So the other person has to pay compensation. Now the Honorable Court, Justice Paul Maloney, he is District Judge Paul Maloney, he asked the parents to file the affidavit. So Mr. Paul and Beth King, so both the parents, they have filed a reply affidavit stating that as landlords of the house, they have got every authority to destroy the unnecessary property. But here the point is, yes, they have repeatedly admitted, yes, we have destroyed in the interest of our son, to do good to our son, who is being spoiled by witnessing the so-called pornographic films. But you see, when once they admitted that they have destroyed, and since they could not produce any case law, did not cite any statute, any legal provision or case law, that the landlords are authorized to destroy the property, then the court asked them to pay compensation. Of course, the boy, he said he has asked for compensation of $25,000. Of course, the parents may not have that much of money. Anyway, the court ruled in favor of the boy against to the parents. You see, can it happen in India? Normally, it won't happen. That's what I'm. So, parental authority. What about the parental authority? Are the parents not expected to control the boy? Are the parents not expected to destroy the material which is actually psychologically ill health, causing ill health to the boy? To the man? Yes, already is a divorcee. Most likely, I think his wife might have discarded him only for this dirty reason of seeing the pornography films, and he might have asked her to act, or he might have asked her to cooperate in that postures seen in that blue films, I think. Right, whatever it is. Now, as far as legality is concerned, yes, he has discussed, the judge discussed that the parents are, as landlords, they have no right to destroy the property. So this is what I want to tell. So it may not be there in India. Normally we think of parental authority. Even a headmaster of a school, if he asks the children to do, or if he beats the boy, normally we think that he is acting under quasi parental authority, like that. But here in America, so it's not happen. Yes, they go by strictly by law. So they have to pay compensation. Of course, the Honorable Court has asked them to file affidavits regarding the value of assets. Of course, then only the finality of the judgment will come out. Of course, the matter is posted to February of next year in 2021. But anyway, this is a judgment normally which irks Indians. Normally we say that even at the age, even though the boy is 40 or 50 years, the parents used to control them. But in America, they give much value to the human rights. They give much value to the law. So even though they are parents, now they are supposed to pay compensation as per law. Right? This is of course not a good judgment. We can't say it's a perverse judgment, but it's a judgment which has to be discussed. Definitely we have to know there are certain judges who order like this, according to law, strictly according to law. Definitely the parents are liable. Anyway, if you find time, please look for the judgment. It has come in BBC also. Right? Thank you very much.